Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. Now see the reduction of nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene can be reduced to different products in different media. That means in acidic medium, neutral medium, basic and electrolytical reduction. So in this way, in acidic medium, we can get one product, neutral medium, another product, basic media, and electrolytical reduction, we can get another product. So nitrobenzene undergo reduction and form different products in different media. In the same medium also, with different reducing agents, we can get different products. Example, in basic medium, with different reducing agents, we can get different products one by one. See that? So finally, we can conclude the reduced product of nitrobenzene depends on pH of the reaction medium and also reducing agent used in that particular reaction. First one is acidic medium. In this acidic medium, both aliphatic and aromatic nitro compounds are reduced to primary amines. Aliphatic nitro compounds and aromatic nitro compounds both are reduced to primary amines in acidic medium. In this, reagent is active metals like zinc or iron or tin and concentrated HCl. That means in this reagent is Zn plus HCl or Fe plus HCl or Sn plus HCl, zinc plus hydrochloric acid, iron plus hydrochloric acid, tin plus hydrochloric acid. See the examples for this. CH3, CH2, NO2. What is the name? Nitroethane. This compound undergo reduction in presence of acidic medium. Then 6 hydrogens are participated, hydrogen atoms, Sn plus HCl. Then we can get primary amine CH3, CH2, NH2 plus 2H2O. What is the name? Ethanamine. IUPAC name is ethanamine. In the same way, take aromatic compounds C6H5NO2. This is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene undergo reduction in presence of Sn plus HCl. Then 6 hydrogens are participated in this reduction process. We can get primary amine C6H5NH2 plus 2H2O. What is the name? Aniline. Okay. Next, in neutral medium, what is the reduced product for nitrobenzene? In neutral medium, see the reduction process. Neutral medium means in this, both aliphatic nitro compounds and aromatic nitro compounds are reduced to hydroxylamine derivatives. Reagent is zinc dust plus NH4Cl or aluminum amalgam and water. See this? Here also both aliphatic and aromatic nitro compounds Both aliphatic and aromatic nitro compounds are reduced to derivative hydroxylamine derivatives. Hydroxylamine derivatives in presence of zinc dust plus NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, or aluminum amalgam AlHG plus water. Okay, now see the examples for this. Example, nitromethane. This is nitromethane, CH3NO2. Nitromethane. This compound undergo reduction in presence of zinc plus NH4Cl. So here 4 hydrogens participated, then we can get NHOH CH3 plus H2O. Hydroxylamine formula is NH2OH. In that, one hydrogen is replaced by methyl, then this is the derivative of hydroxylamine. Methyl hydroxylamine. In the same way, aromatic compounds also undergo reduction in neutral medium, then we can get hydroxylamine derivatives. See here, that one, C6H5NO2 plus 4 hydrogens in presence of aluminum amalgam plus water. Then product is C6H5NHOH plus H2O. This is phenyl hydroxylamine. This is the hydroxylamine derivative. So this is nitrobenzene. So nitrobenzene undergo reduction in neutral medium in presence of aluminum amalgam AlHG and water. Then we can get hydroxylamine derivative, that is C6H5NHOH. Its name is phenyl hydroxylamine. In this way, in different media, we can get different products.